Welcome to M365 Professional. Ever have scheduling conflicts arise after a schedule has been set? Now team members can easily swap shifts with coworkers using Shifts and Microsoft Teams. From the Viva Connections home screen, go to Shifts. To start a request, either go to the plus button or hit Requests. Press the plus and go to Swap Shift. Select the shift that needs to be swapped. Then find a team member's shift to switch with. Select the date on the calendar. If your company has a workforce management system connected to Shifts, the team member will see a list of pre-filtered shifts available based on your company's business rules and labor laws, ensuring that the swap is compliant. Choose the coworker to swap with, add a reason for the request or a note, then press Done. A notification will be sent to that coworker who can then go directly to the Shifts app, view the details, and accept a swap request. The request then gets routed for final approval from the manager. Manager goes to the Request tab in Shifts to see that a swap request is in progress. Once the request is approved, all the schedules are updated. Everyone is notified of the final change, and the shift swap is completed. Make scheduling changes easily and quickly with Shifts in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.